Hey guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we'll talk about BTC. We'll talk about BTC on a 3D basis and what type of a price action, we could anticipate over the next like a few days or even like a few weeks going forward, right? So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join the public Telegram group link in the description and all that good stuff, right? So now let's dive into the analysis regarding our 3D time frame. Okay, so when we talk about the 3D time frame, the two most important indicators we need on the 3D, it is going to be our 21 EMA and secondly our basically MACD right here. So basically what we've been saying, if you've been following our channel long enough, I'm just gonna have to repeat it, guys. So in case you're new to our in case you're new to the channel, so first thing first, whenever we break out below our 3D 21 EMA, right, with a negative MACD, it means like the trend is losing momentum. Sometimes it doesn't mean like we're going to face like a downtrend, like what we see in what we saw right here back in September. Even though we dumped below the 21 EMA, MACD was negative, we still get back. We still managed to get back above the 21 EMA back in like October. Okay, so right now, if we take a look at it right here, we below the 21 EMA on our 3D time frame. MACD, it is still negative, so it is a bearish sign. What we need to see in order to call for a bullish reversal is like we need to get back above the 21 EMA on the 3D at least. Okay, get back above the 21 EMA over the next like a few days or so on, or even like a few weeks, because in terms of correction, we just don't know how long we're going to be staying in this range. If we're going to stay between like a 40k to a 50k area, if that's the case, that could be a good sign. It means like a price action could consolidate right here and wait for the 21 EMA, the yellow line, to basically cool off, and we could basically pump above it. Okay, it is just a speculation price action, but we will see what we're going to get over the next like a few days and so on, right? So the other possibility is like just to wait for the MACD to cross bullish, regardless of the price action. Wait for the MACD to cross bullish, because whenever we cross bullish on our MACD, we could either get a bullish divergence or we could get a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, it means like price action right here, if you take a look at it right there, okay, we already got a potential hidden bullish divergence, right? So it means like if we get this move right there, okay, MACD and histogram, both of them making lower lows, if price action can stay, it can stay above the support area right here, we got a pretty good chance, right, to create a hidden bullish divergence, and we could be pumping to the upside over the next like a few weeks after that, right? So something to basically keep in mind. Now let's take a look at BTC on a 6-hour basis really quickly. So on the 6-hour basis, I've been talking about the 6-hour 21 EMA, breakout and all that good stuff. So when we take a look at it on Gemini, right? Gemini got a nice bullish pattern, all right, in the short term. Okay, so that's what I tried to point out like during my live stream, right? What I was saying right here was like we could be pushing back up right here and retest the 51.7 up to a 52k area. So we already pumped all the way up to like a nearly 51, depending on which exchange you're using. So to be exact, we pumped all the way up to like a 50.8. So rejection area, we could anticipate it right here, even though everything is looking good right there regarding our MACD bullish divergence, but it is not a bullish divergence for a reversal. Sometimes you get these bullish divergences, right, just for a correction. Every correction most of the time going to give you some sort of bullishness, and you're going to be anticipating some reversal, and bang, market basically could basically continue to the downside and all that good stuff. So keep an eye on a short-term resistance somewhere around like a 51.5 up to like a 52k area. Even if we get there, okay, that could be a very strong resistance for the bulls. If we break out above it, we still got the 100 EMA resistance. If you recall, the 100 EMA resistance was our biggest resistance right here, just about like a 58.8. Okay, so first resistance going to be somewhere around like a 51.5 up to a 52k area. That's going to be the primary resistance. Secondary resistance could be all the way up to like a the 6-hour 100 EMA. All right, give or take 53.5. Right. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for the BTC price action. So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description, and all that good stuff. Thanks a lot for watching.